Good morning, everybody. Today I'm a bit different because I have message for cake. How I like you on doghouse, how you can see my dog barn is a bit smaller. How I like you personality, how I like you stuff which one you do. I know that you hurt yourself in the arm and then you hurt yourself in the second arm, and I realized on some stage that to part of your team can take a huge prize. So I would like to warn everyone else, be careful, because when you hold with Craig, you're going to have some sort of disability with your arm. By the way, say hi to Mr. Hudson. Good luck, guys.